Alright, what's up YouTube? So this is a video of after you get the case off, how to open it up. You'll need one of these. When you're taking the case off, you need this. And for basically all you need. If you're for some reason, if your Xbox is different, you'll probably have to find the tools on the phone. So I'm gonna open it up so you can see. And there's just a single screw that I'm taking off. You can see a wire, that's the headset that I'm talking about. Screws are pretty long, so hold it on. Keep up with the screws because this is what holds it together. If you lose them and you're trying to put your Xbox together, you won't be able to do that. I'm gonna put this right here so screw this up some. And when you tighten them up, don't tighten them up so tight. That way you can get it off. That way you have to clean it up again. And I'm opening mine up because like either tomorrow or Friday the mods is supposed to be coming in. And while I'm uploading right now, it's Wednesday. Tomorrow's the 4th of July. The screws are long, but it's just the bottom that has the stuff on it, so it doesn't take that long. But yeah, as you see, here's the whole screw. Make sure you keep up with them, like I said, because you need them. Just gonna turn this. Sorry if this video is getting kind of long. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, comment what you want me to do, and I'll do it possibly. Like I said, well, if I didn't say it already, sorry, but I opened my Xbox, so it should be a little bit easier. The first time you open it, it's gonna be harder. Second time, it's gonna be easier in the rest. And I'm sorry to hear that. It's raining outside and thundering, so that's why I just decided to use my mic from my Xbox. I think I got them all off. You better see. Hold on, I'm gonna take this off real quick. Okay, and that is how you open it. And if you're trying to hotspot, you have to take this off. You just get a screwdriver and unscrew it. And thanks for watching YouTube. And there we go.